I thought we played well at times. I thought we played some really good stuff. I just think Caernarfon, obviously full of confidence, had more cutting edge than us, certainly first half. I think it mirrored a lot of our season, certainly since Christmas. We've just let in some crazy goals. The first goal was no pressure on the ball, and we didn't drop, and we didn't know where the forward was. So yeah, two really poor goals to concede. Other than the two goals, you know, I thought we were probably the better team, and I thought we'd second half. For the first 30 minutes of the second half, we totally dominated, and then the game kind of fizzled out then.
Well, Rio, we'll talk about today's game first. Good win for you and a nice goal.
Great win. We won the World Cup last week, and people thought we might sacked it off, but it shows the lads that we've got great commitment. We couldn't be turned up, win 2-0, and it's a great day to end the season on a high. After last week's, even higher.
Caernarfon, they're a good side. They're very good on transition when you lose the ball. If you haven't got your shape right, the likes of Locke and Mendes and Danny will hurt you. And that's what happened. We conceded a goal twice on transition, so really frustrating. And on top of that, you know, I thought the official made some strange decisions again today. And it's an enviable record that we've got at the moment, and we've got the unenviable record of having a full league campaign without one penalty, and we could have had half a dozen in the last month.
Nes i ryw wsos off iddyn nhw, ond nes i ddeud bod fi eisiau performance disadwn a bod o'n meddwl lot, achos oedden ni'n gwybod sy'n lot o cyfnogwyr yn dod yma heddiw i jyst i ddeud diolch i'r chwaraewyr am yr hanes maen nhw wedi greu a maen nhw'n llawn hyd yna, ond oedden ni eisiau rhoi performance achos mae trolau ni chwarae'n Llandudno, a dwi'n meddwl bod lot o bobl yn mynd i anghofio bod ni wedi bod o ddigartra drwy season. So, i orffen yn bedwerydd, sy'n di licio fod y bach uwch, os dwi'n holl o onast, ond allan bob mwy prowd ar hogi yma, be maen nhw wedi gyflawni season yma, chwarae o ddigartra ac i ennill y Welsh Cup, allan gofyn mwy gen nhw.
This week in general, how's it been for you as a club? Bit of a whirlwind?
Yeah, phenomenal. Because it's the first time in history, these lads will be legends in this club, but what an amazing achievement, an amazing thing to be a part of.
Let's talk about you personally now. I mean, obviously the season's come to an end for you now. You're on loan from Wrexham. What does the future hold for you, do you know?
Well, it depends what Wrexham say, but I'm happy. I've lived my loan here and hopefully get another contract in Wrexham.
I suppose now, is it a good thing that the league campaign is over now? Like you say, I mean, things have not happened this season, so now you can just maybe start afresh going into the playoffs, because like you say, you're not maybe playing that badly, you just need things to go your way a bit.
Well, look, we're going up to Colwyn Bay, where we've been well beaten twice already this season. We played them recently and drew, but they were probably the better side on the day. We're in a horrendous run, and we are by far the outsiders in the playoffs, aren't we?
Bydd o'n neis o'n peidio bod yn rhan o playoffs, achos mae'n rhaid jyst yr amser bach na ni dechrau prepario a planio a wrach siarad o chwywyr eraill, ond ia, da ni'n imagine o, da ni'n dechrau ymlaen yn mynd yn ôl i Ewrop efo'r cofis. A ia, jyst dim bach o brec i'r hogia, recharge the batteries, ond mae hwnna jyst dangos, dwi'n meddwl efo, fel ti dweud, y mindset na i fynd a roed y performance na heddiw, some credits mwy sy'n gallu roed i'r hogia.